What's going on, guys? I'm redoing my intro. You read my title, right? But check this out. Watch the whole video and understand what I'm saying. Samsung really need to do better for their fans. Like, I'm kind of getting a little frustrated by this. I'm not a Samsung fan. I'm an Apple person. But the fact that like I'm spending my money on this and this is the quality that I'm getting out of this, it's frustrating for me and it should be frustrating for you guys. My brother's a Samsung fan. We go at it back and forth, you know, playfully, but you know, it's frustrating because like if he would have bought this, I'll get upset. And he told me this is bad, but you know, I just wanted to give it a chance. I said, nah, I don't think Samsung gonna make something this bad and charge this much, but I'm wrong. Enjoy the video. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Devin up here, and today we got the Galaxy Buds Live. Alright, so we gonna review this. Last time I said I like the Galaxy Buds Plus more than the AirPods. So we're gonna review this, and in my next video, I'm gonna do a comparison. So let's get started.
Little.
Let's get this unboxing started. Let me show the box for a bit. Alright, so here's the buds themselves. I got them in white. Let's see, what is this? Alright, so you get your USB charger, matching the color. That's about it. Look what's inside the box. Right now, you just get a charger and the buds itself. So let's begin. All right, so let's get into the specs of these. These have 12mm speaker with base IPX2 water resistance, compact charging case, 3 microphones and voice pickup unit, active noise cancellation, 8 hours of battery life with noise isolation off, 6 hours with noise isolation on. A 5-minute quick charge gives you 1 hour of battery life, wireless charging and USB Type-C charging, and that's all the specs for it. And the price is going for $170. All right, so you know what it is. So I'm gonna connect. And it's connected. I'll put them in my ear and show them how. All right, so before you put them in, this is what the case look like. You got the left and your right. On the buds, you got your left and your right. And we're gonna put them in and see how they feel. Okay, I see. So, see, I was holding it like this. I was holding them wrong, but it's for the right ear. I was holding them upside down, so you actually gotta flip them up and then put them in your ear. All right, bro, what y'all think? I ain't gonna lie to you, like, not really feeling them how they feel in my ear. But let's go to the music test. It just feels weird in my ear. It feels like it's about to fall out of my ear. I'm sure they had their reasons why they shaped like this. I'm not really sure why, but just how the way they feel. Maybe I gotta get used to them, but it just feels like the left one is really like pushing out of my ear. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to like kind of hold on to your ear. What kind of unboxing video am I gonna do without putting them in wrong? So I had them in upside down. I know, right? Blame Samsung, don't blame me, man. I know, bro, I know Samsung is tripping, it's not me.
Bruh, look at this dude.
All right, so got them in my ear. And yes, y'all, I got them in the right way this time. Okay, I had them in left and right. I had them in right, but I had them upside down. So these speaker parts supposed to go into your ear. Hey, the more you know. Okay. Hey yo, you know, it's sitting in my ear better. Who woulda knew? All right, so it's sitting in my ear better. Yo, all right, bro, this fun. This relax, bro. It's jokes. Relax. All right, they sit in my ear a lot better, but it still feel kind of funny though. I feel like this side is about to fall out this time, but it's sitting in my ear better. Let's listen to some music and let's see how it is.
In the blunts, I ride through your block, see a foot in the trunk. I don't know. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci stop.
If it ain't chronic, don't blaze it up. And if it ain't a Chevy, don't race it.
Shorty, light skin, tatted, huh? Fat, I need your number.
Alright, so I played Lil Wayne for that rock and roll. See how it keeps up on the rock and roll side. Honestly, the bass was kind of low for it. I played Drake, Grease. Of course, Drake always pumps up the bass. And I think it did pretty well with that song with the bass bumping, even though it comes with the bass bumping on that song. But I think it did pretty well with that. Snoop Dogg G'd Up, just for that smooth melody. It did pretty good with that. And I also played Pop Smoke Diana for that R&B-ish kind of melody. And they all did good, but it was just a little bit of lack of bass. It's like the bass is just a little poor. I guess it's because how it had fit in my ear. I don't know, I guess my ears isn't really that good for this one. And I finally understand what people are talking about. I can use the first AirPods and the AirPods Pros. As I got them to fit well into my ear, I was just saying, like, it just feels like, you know, they're kind of falling out a little bit. It feels pretty good. In my honest opinion, I can just tell that the noise cancellation isn't that great. And also when I put them in, the music was still playing and it was still connected to these while it was in here. And I'll give you an example. I'm turning it up. You see it's connected to the Bluetooth, but no music is coming out. It's gonna be a little bit of a battery drainage issue in the future. I hope they update that, but it's just something to look out for. I hope that just don't become an issue. We know we're in a hurry somewhere. We just happen to just put our AirPods in here and just accidentally still play it, and that can be draining the battery the whole time when we really need it again, to use it again. So I hope they update that and work on that, but that could be an issue for it. I'm not really feeling that right now. All right, so next I'm gonna download the app. I'm gonna see if I can actually tune up my issues that I just had to see if I can just confirm if I still have issues with them. Like I said the bass is a little low, so I'm gonna tune up the bass on these and see if I change my mind with these bass. I got the app. I'm gonna show the screenshots of it right here, and we're gonna go through it together. Same as the Galaxy Buds Plus app if you already have it, but for those who don't know, you have your status of the buds and the case. Active noise cancellation, that's on. And also you have a setting for equalizer, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. You have touch controls, which is really sensitive, which I also like, so that's a positive. You have labs to play with the ambiance sound, find my earbuds. Let's see how that is. So right now I'm doing the find my earbuds and just making the sound. This find my earbuds versus find my AirPods, or find my app with Apple, because Apple will just give you like a location of where it's at. It doesn't really give you a sound unless you're actually really close to it or actually is active. If you were to lose this under a couch or just under anywhere, your bed, whatever, it'll make a sound, which Apple needs to adapt and learn and figure out, and making people stop buying left and right pieces. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to up the bass and I'll be right back. Okay, so I boosted the bass. It does sound better. So, okay, so when you get it, you may think the bass is kind of low, so you may have to tune up the bass, and it do sound better. Now, is it the best? No, I've heard better from the Galaxy Buds Plus, the previous model, and also AirPods Pros. For the bass, it's not really too strong, but it's decent. Said I heard better. Okay, so let me give my final verdict on all of this, whole thing in general, so you can pretty much save your money. Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Beams, whatever you want to call them, 170. Galaxy Buds Plus is 150. These have 8 hours, while the Galaxy Buds Plus have 11 hours, so you get more battery out of the Galaxy Buds Plus. Comfort level, that's totally up to you. I can't say if it's better or not for me, but me personally, the Galaxy Buds Plus fit better on me, it fit more comfortably, and I told you when I had them in my ear, It felt like the right one's kind of falling out just a bit. I did feel like they were in my ear versus the Galaxy Buds Plus, which I felt like it really wasn't in my ear. Water resistance, they're both IPX2. I guess it can deal with light rain. I show the specs of water resistance right here. And with IPX2, it's pretty much good for rain. Your light water, you can spray water directly into it and you'll be fine. But it has an IPX rating of 2, which is low. They both do, so they need to upgrade that. The controls are very sensitive, just like the Galaxy Buds Plus, so I give that an equal rating, and I think that's really good that they're very sensitive. So pretty much you have the best controls with them when it comes to music, pausing, next. I think they always really do good with their controls, but it's up to a personal thing. But if I had to give it to it, I'd give them both a thumbs up. So they both did good with the control test. Audio quality, I just gave my opinion on that. Go back to what I just said. These are okay, but the fact that I had to go to a settings and boost the bass up a little bit, pretty much give me a thumbs down versus the Galaxy Buds Plus, which I didn't have to touch anything at all. It came how it was and it felt, and it sounded great. And so I give the winner to Galaxy Buds Plus. They were the better music option for me. I don't know, it's just not really cutting it when it comes to the music side right now. Noise cancellation, it's not really good at all. I can still hear my neighbors. I can hear everything. I can hear my hands rubbing together. I can hear myself. But when I had the Galaxy Buds Plus in, I can barely hear anything. So when it comes to noise cancellation, I forgot what Samsung calls it, noise. When it comes to noise isolation, the winner definitely hands down goes to Galaxy Buds Plus. So right now it's not really looking good for these Galaxy Buds Live. And lastly, the call quality. It's not great at all, honestly. I had to turn my phone all the way up to hear somebody, and it's not really that good. Samsung in 2020 is not having a great year right now, and it's disappointing, and we need to let them know that this is not great. Go with the previous model, trust me. But guys, all of this is my personal opinion. You may think these Galaxy Buds are great. Honestly, like just truthfully, I'm giving you my honest opinion. I would really prefer, if you guys were to spend this, I really prefer you guys to get the previous model, the Galaxy Buds Plus, save a whole lot more money and you'll have better quality out of them. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mean, they look nice. The design is awesome. I mean, come on, like they're beans. This is definitely up. Throw them threes up. I've always been honest with you guys, and I'm telling you, like, these not it. And again, my opinion hasn't changed. I still think the Galaxy Buds Plus is still better than the AirPods Pros. They're both equal, but I had to give it to the Galaxy Buds Plus. I'm dubbing up. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Be safe out here. I'm out. All right, if you made it this far, I'm gonna do a giveaway. There's gonna be 3 winners and 3 gift cards, $20 each. Just comment down below what you like about these or what you dislike. Thanks for watching.